With Pokemon, I choose you! Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Papa is at the house and Amelia's with Grandma and Grandpa. We are the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family of absolute craziness. I thought long and hard about what stupid thing I should do for an intro there, so I'm really sorry about that. If you're new to the channel, that's not the ordinary thing we do, but also, this is not the ordinary type of drone we see. This is stupid. This is dumb. I don't know what's going on. You guys remember the hoverboard that we did just a week or two ago on the channel? And I said at the beginning that was going to be either the coolest RC thing we've ever seen or the dumbest RC thing, biggest waste of money we've ever seen. It ended up being really awesome. And if you missed that video, you'll do yourself a huge favor to go check it out. We'll have it carded up here, and I promise I'll end screen it at the end of this video, so be sure to check that out. This has got to be the dumbest thing I have ever seen. This is like a glove with a ball drone. I'll be surprised if it even flies this. Oh. Look at this thing.
That's the transmitter.
This is the transmitter, believe it or not. This thing is crazy. It's got this little joystick button and the power is right here. Wild. Let's fly this thing.
Hello. You haven't seen me in a while. Nate gave up on this thing and we have fiddled around with it for about 15-20 minutes. That's because this is not English.
No, don't let her. Don't.
Pick it up.
Okay, alright.
Garbage. It's garbage. This drone is garbage. I finally got it to sink and fly, but I don't know how to do the altitude, so this is gonna be a train wreck, but I'm gonna try to get it paired again for you guys and fly just for a minute. This isn't fun. It's $25 or something like that. There's way better things to spend your $25 on than this. We'll have them carded throughout this video, and the video on our end screen on the little cartoon right at the end, that's something that we're definitely going to recommend you check out and go watch at the end of this video. So let's see what we can do. So we turn this on.
You got to turn that on first.
The lights are flashing.
Then you turn on the hand thing.
And those lights blink. And you got to hold your hand level.
It has to be perfectly level until these lights go solid.
And that's why this is loose on my hand, because it's like crooked. If you wear this tight and correctly, it's crooked. So I'm just gonna wait. So this thing is super finicky. Abby finally, after like 10 minutes, got it to think it's sitting level. The lights go solid on the drone, and then you double tap the little button on the hand controller and it takes off. Now it's all gesture controls, so tilting your hand will make the drone fly in different ways. It's an altitude hold drone. In theory, this could be fun and cool. There you go, she's doing it. So now it's flying. I might get hit with it. See, it's really difficult to fly. An absolute waste of money. You got to bring that thing down, Abby. Okay, I'm gonna go chase that drone. And there it sits by the picnic table. She had to hit the emergency stop button. This thing is an absolute waste of money. As soon as this cartoon pops up at the end of our video, the little link in the middle that looks like another video you can click to watch, click that. It's going to be a way better recommendation if you're into this motion control stuff. We'll find a much better one for you that we've tested and loved. Check that one out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.